Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today I'm going to show you how to mention someone in your Instagram story without showing it. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now swipe left to go to the story section. Okay, so now select the photo or video you wanted to share in your story. And now simply tap on your story. And now tap on your story. Okay, so now you have to simply tap on the three dots. And here you will see option of add mentions. Tap on it. Okay, so now simply search the account that you wanted to mention. And tap on add. And that's it. You have successfully mentioned someone in your Instagram story without it showing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.